everyone, welcome to my channel. In case you don't know me, my name is Mando, I'm a German teacher and together we're going to learn German. So let's get started. So today we're going to learn about definite articles. In English we have only one definite article, which is the word the. In German, unfortunately, this is not the case. There are multiple articles that we are going to learn right now. So which article does the noun Mann in German take, right? There are two things for you guys to remember. The first one is the gender and the second one is the usage of the word in the sentence. Let's talk about the first one. You might already know that German nouns have, unlike English, genders. Every noun in German belongs to either of these three genders. There is masculine, there is feminine, and neuter. The masculine nouns are defined with the word der, the feminine with the word die, and the neuter with the word das. So we have der Mann, die Frau und das Kind, which means the man, the woman, and the kid. Now, how do we know each noun's article, right? There are some words like der Mann or die Frau that we just know the article just because of their meaning. However, the word Mädchen means girl. And although we would pair it with the article die, this is not true. The reason why is because the words with the ending chen are always neuters. Similar to this rule, endings like unge, kite, and heit are always feminine. We will talk about these rules in another video. However, my best advice for you guys is to learn the nouns with their articles and with a plural form every time that you learn vocabulary. Now that we talked about singular, you might be wondering what is happening with nouns when they are in plural, right? Well, we have good news here because plural article is always the same one for every single noun. And this word is the word die. So we say der Mann, die Männer, die Frau, die Frauen, and das Kind, die Kinder. The second thing you guys have to remember is the usage of the nouns in a sentence. German uses different cases for the nouns depending on how we use them in the sentence. We have 4 different cases in German. The first case is the nominative case. The second is the accusative. The third one is the dative. And the fourth one is the genitive case. The nominative case is used for the subject in the sentence. The man is nice. Who is nice? The man. The accusative case is used for the direct object of the sentence. I greet the man. Whom do I greet? The man. The dative case is used for the indirect object of the sentence. I give the salad to the man. In this case, the man is the receiver of the direct object, which is the salad. Finally, there is the genitive case, which is the possessive case. The salad of the man is tasty. Although in English we use the same article the for every single sentence, in German the endings of these articles will change every time in every sentence. For example, the word Mann would be der Mann in nominative. Der Mann ist nett. The man is nice. Den Mann in accusative. Ich begrüße den Mann. Dem Mann in the dative case. Ich gebe dem Mann den Salat. And des Mannes in genitive. Der Salat des Mannes ist lecker. Now that we have learned that The masculine article for nominative is der. For accusative is den. For dative is dem. And for genitive is des. Let's follow the same rules for the word der Schüler. Der Schüler, den Schüler, dem Schüler and des Schülers. Der Schüler ist intelligent. The student is smart. Ich mag den Schüler. I like the student. Ich gebe dem Schüler den Kugelschreiber. Der Kugelschreiber des Schülers ist cool. The pen of the student is very cool. However, these endings do not apply for all genders. The feminine, neuter, and plural have their own rules. You can actually see them here. Die Frau, der Frau, and der Frau. Das Kind, dem Kind, and des Kindes. Die Männer, den Männern, and der Männer. As homework for next time, I want you guys to fill out this exercise and leave in the comments below your answer. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Tschüss!